Here are a couple ways to fold a hoodie nice and compact for travel. Now we're going to do the folded method and the rolled method. We'll start with the folded method. Start by tucking into the hood and then fold the sleeves across horizontally. From here, you're going to fold it into thirds along the lengthwise of the sweatshirt. And then trace down just to about where the sleeves are, fold it over itself, and tuck the bottom part of the hoodie into this little pouch. Becomes a nice compact little fold. Now next up, we have the rolled method. For this, you're going to fold the side third and sleeve down just like this. Do the same thing with the other side, and then fold the sleeve down towards the bottom. Then next step is just rolling it up all the way up to the hood. Keep it tight and smooth out any wrinkles along the way. Once you get to the hood, you can just roll it right on into the hood and it creates a nice little bundle. And that, my friends, is the rolled method for how to roll a hoodie. Now, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, whether you like to roll it or fold it. And as always, follow for more travel hacks like this one.